may Allah preserve you, Ustadh, is it possible to have a non-Muslim servant, Christian, and she serves you food or cooks it? Barakallahu feek. Yeah, it is permissible. There's nothing haram about it. You can have a non-Muslim servant that cooks for you as long as the ingredients comes from you. Yani she's cooking the ingredients that you served her with. So you give her the halal food. It is permissible, but it's best to avoid it. If you can find a Muslim, then it's best to employ a Muslim to do the job instead of a non-Muslim. But it is permissible and it is allowed in Islam to have a non-Muslim cook for you. And the evidence for that is the Jew woman that cooked for the Prophet ﷺ. She cooked for him and she gave him the meat. And the Prophet ate it ﷺ.